Today we will take a complete and detailed look at Iran's military power in 2026. We will examine Iran's total manpower, how many tanks, aircraft, submarines, and missiles it possesses, how strong its air defense system is, and how its asymmetric warfare strategy operates. This analysis is based on research and available defense data. Overall military manpower: Iran has approximately 610,000 active military personnel. This includes around 350,000 army personnel, approximately 190,000 Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, members. The remaining personnel belong to the Air Force, Navy, and other specialized units. In addition, Iran has roughly 350,000 reserve personnel. If we include the basic volunteer network, Iran can mobilize millions in an emergency situation. This manpower makes Iran one of the largest ground forces in the Middle East. Army, ground forces: Iran possesses an estimated 1,600 to 1,900 main battle tanks, 2,000 to 2,400 armored vehicles, more than 6,000 artillery and rocket systems. The primary mission of Iran's ground forces is border defense and internal security. Technologically, it is not equal to the United States or Israel. However, due to its numbers and defensive positioning, it remains a significant regional force. Air Force: Iran operates approximately 300 to 350 combat aircraft. These include around 40 F-14 Tomcats, about 30 MiG-29 fighter jets, 20 to 30 Su-24 aircraft, upgraded versions of F-4 Phantom and F-5 fighters. Iran does not possess modern fifth-generation stealth aircraft. This is considered a major limitation. Because of this, Iran has focused more on strengthening its air defense and missile program. Air defense system: Iran's air defense system is a central pillar of its defense strategy. Key systems include Bavar-373 long-range air defense system with an estimated range of 200 to 300 kilometers. Cordad-3 system, known for downing a U.S. drone in 2019. Rod series Talash system, and an extensive radar network. Iran also operates a limited number of Russian S-300 systems. Together, these systems create a layered air defense shield. The objective is not total air superiority, but to make any aerial attack complex and costly for the enemy. Navy: Iran's naval forces are divided into two branches. The regular Iranian Navy, the IRGC Navy. Iran possesses more than 200 fast attack craft, around 30 submarines, coastal defense missile batteries. Iran's naval strategy focuses heavily on the Strait of Hormuz. Approximately 20% of the world's oil supply passes through this route. Iran has the capability to disrupt traffic in this area, which could significantly impact the global economy. Missile program: Iran's missile program is its most powerful strategic asset. It is estimated that Iran possesses more than 3,000 ballistic and cruise missiles. The breakdown is approximately 1,800 to 2,000 short-range ballistic missiles, 500 to 600 medium-range ballistic missiles, 50 to 100 longer-range capabilities, 200 to 300 cruise missiles. These missiles form the core of Iran's deterrence strategy. They are capable of targeting military bases and strategic facilities across the region. Drone program: Iran operates dozens of drone types. These include surveillance drones, armed attack drones, long-range UAV systems. Drones are relatively low-cost but can deliver high impact. They provide Iran with strategic leverage without relying solely on traditional warfare. Asymmetric warfare strategy. Now we come to the most important aspect: Iran's real strength lies in its asymmetric warfare strategy. Asymmetric warfare means confronting a stronger opponent using unconventional methods. Iran understands that it cannot defeat a superpower like the United States in a conventional war. Therefore, it has built its strategy on several key pillars: proxy networks, missile deterrence, naval disruption capability, drone warfare, layered air defense system, cyber operations. This strategy makes any potential conflict costly, prolonged, and complex for its adversaries. Conclusion: Iran is not a global superpower. However, it is a strong regional military power. It has limitations in conventional warfare, but its missile arsenal, drone capabilities, air defense systems, and asymmetric strategy make it a force that cannot be ignored. Iran's strength is not only in numbers, it lies in its strategy.